My everything. When I lost my faith, you raised it. When I lost my faith, you raised it. Me the no go fail you, Lord. Me the no go say you, Lord. Hey, and Marowa, Lubani Miniwa, and Marowa, Lubani Pirowa, is Jehovah, Jireh, is Jehovah, Yahweh, is Jehovah, El Shaddai, is Jehovah, Adonai.
Yes. Welcome right about now. It's Mr. Laughter right here. Yeah.
Mr. Laughter. I sing to you. God of blessings, yeah. God of wonders, yeah. Lord of lords, the King of kings. He I love and I Imi achunu, imi amaro, ichukuchunya, inyutama, baba. We love when imi apapa, but nothing can make me stumble. I will never crumble, 'cause you make me humble. Look, you're better than anything. God, you make me wanna play my strings, and you really wanna make me sing, 'cause you are my everything. And Marowa, Lubani Miniwa. And Marowa, Lubani Pirowa, he's Jehovah.
Yes. Welcome to Mr. Laughter, and it's Tommy Bear TV right about here. As you see, that song is a massive song, and the producer that did that song is right here with us, and we want to find out more about him and everything. Yeah, it's Tommy Bear TV, wherever you are watching from, on Facebook or on YouTube on Tommy Bear TV. We are bringing to you the greatest producer of all season. This is the toughest, the roughest guy. He will introduce himself to us. Jalwe, itini. Aduh, apa ini kong?
Apa kau punya ni?
Betul, nan mamunya bajal.
Lah, milih dia.
Wala belgi po Kampala dito, ini kami ini orang yang gulo dito di Kampala.
Apa yang dulu? Once daerah Kampala ni Kampala.
So take a word made from my back. Yeah, that's good though. Mono bad to ana wa kili kon yup man ba kili wona celebrity corner. Ma pol kar wa kili we kidong producers madam ma waro ngegi in the industry matie Uganda, and wa chako ki brother Rex ma beru tie kedwa so nen matin wa tamane wala to wa kil in bena machalo producer ma diet ma waro ngi o yubu we ma bejo ma duong to twal, and ngi pol dan ki pagi kar producer charo gen ma pigi tek to twal gen tawni more so joma gigena joma iwer we myo ke ke peta but kala we po but producer ti lo la we pet wa ti mo ma kan ko so what your producers be ke do cha joma pigi tego in the industry without one no one we ko nyo pe yeah so I for attack the toilet ti mo nya gera mada. Yeah, so mamiro achiato chap bonen kong in machal producer kong tuju wanyi kong nyi kilwane nga kidong kong nyi kikome ti ana nga kidong chao lok me production away kidong kwe ma chao production amir kong wan yang kong wiwe wak bena jo manan wa gungi. Yeah, they get to understand exactly what is going on. I koma migi. Yeah.
Ami nuo kong la penny man nak network kano jar da opio.
Okay. Watch ni ka introducing kong in ki ni kong work down ngi kong.
Okay. Anya ATUBSY, producer, a demo both video and audio production.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I can say. That's me. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, that's good. It even both video and audio.
yeah, video and audio.
Okay, that's good. That's
Yeah,
good. So far, production ni ko Jenny chao ke kwe.
production of like audio.
Yeah, audio production.
I think way back 2013.
Mm.
Chao more pangeni avec demo production fully.
Okay.
Chao me mangala more kumano
Mm.
passion what made more. Up
Yeah.
to now, I'm still pushing on. But I thank God
Okay.
ni
Mm.
for level more maluba or make that care of demo production.
Yeah.
My best as I
Mhm.
can do right now at least. So
Okay.
yeah.
So chaka mere 2013, then up to now, no furity medicare.
For that time, I take care piano production of the
Okay.
game I do me corner.
Mm-hmm.
Man of Barami ni a man can survive with it.
Yeah. Okay.
So Chao more me kumano kigoyo na go chat ki
Mm.
cha meeting producer mama producer PT.
Okay.
Yeah, producer PT helped me a lot in my
Mm.
journey of production.
Mm.
And there's another guy called Ugandan Sam. He also
Mm.
helped me a lot in the journey of
Okay.
production.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ci bere twal kan and dan ma kire gu funyi and the production pool perang e chamo ken tak full ka chamo ken no ken and itika ko in the environment ma joma kunyitie it makes sense kitung ba dan ne wala to nong nger mo mara ma ko chimbe ne which is really good. Yeah, mod dong yele pa o dong tie dong ka team production no megi i Kampala. E chako ne ninki gulu mi o Kampala where dong production no mego meta nyim.
I remember a bit of Polka production at Kwana. From my O level to A level when I be production.
Okay.
And na been a Kwana in Kampala kind. So I got connected to other guys. They valued me, and they told me that I could make it. I could do something.
Okay.
Because they were amazed with what I was doing. Because Matic is cool. Like I used to move in a lot of studios.
Yeah.
Made Madwong from different guys. So I got connected to many people, and people who believed in my career.
Yeah.
Helped me push. Up to now, I'm still pushing on, and I believe someday all is gonna be well.
Yeah. Yeah. So far dong ange way my producing na duong mo full. Kache again kache ni apo go si mami. I think he down in the kandak but it yeah. Biro dake studio. So yeah, but we can move on. So kin ma yaw production 2013 so angeni moving on abe jemti one abe gera ngi kin ma chalo no kire wajo kene so ngom kene mabe may no key production don't for now ma 24 and since my joining production.
I know Jimmy might be wrong for, and one of the things is like me waiting at money beru canon. It's not an easy thing. Like ninga money pa voro jolo jom kene gangwan jamu is not an easy thing. So when the under production. So a lot of things gaining in production. Yeah, I won't say fame because I'm not that kind of mind mommy only a bit famous konongo. But it has brought for me friends and those people whom I thought that I could never be with when production okay Lupara. I got to meet a lot of guys who are respected, big guys. Man, they're doing great things in my life. So production give me my doing for the corner. Beg your pardon. Yeah, Mikey Pitia Winnie.
Yeah, I'm muting man after makeja. So better go watch it. Ken macharo no joining care production. Not again my bed. To since my joining production again by now dong. Give my learning team at Wong full, and then you know where I don't come top producer in Uganda. Tamani journey any take a word no bay in some few years no oga kwena in macharo producer.
Yeah, I believe in some few years. Na ko kamodo ma ke wachini nyiri chati akaro. En nyiri en.
Yeah.
Because Kamau at least gam ki bo dama pari dama get respected people who are good.
Yeah.
So it gave me courage ni kagen no giti kumel. Then who am I?
Mm-hmm.
So it takes courage to reach that point.
Yeah.
So and I believe in some years I'll be again another level in production. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, cuma more better to alangai polka down and better vision. So at least kira angi kerni angi ni level me production or megi tie mo meta mata to alkai win we ma ini go gi angi we ma you nen cha ram o li bachel dong. Kani biara biara ko. Robert duong barak be kani ba kwara kwara ba ro kwala weng. So yeah. Some listeners come on when you win, yeah, ATUBSY, you good luck. Nak mo ba jale ko elong gini ni. Uziki banyere re yo mabe baraj baka chenga romo fudong me production it rom me R&B nye rom me hip hop nye rom mo kan ma ini tamani rom we down rom no yen kwe ma producer to oloto wa nge exactly where can people find you.
Right now, I'm at a studio McDonald OCM record. Though I'm also having a vision very soon, I'll be having my own like by God's time. By God's grace, I'm going to be having my own very soon. But right now at the OCM records, tung Lozera. Kadang ngayon. Ngayon po lang aja kaya may Lozera. Tayo ni TV di
Yeah. Yeah.
Kaya niya ati Lozera. Luya.
Eventually I'll make you yeah.
So abel tungkan be ati tungkan OCM records be ti tungkan. So that's what I'm doing. Most of my productions. Though awar be kaya kamano kiluani I should go and help and do other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I move.
In many places.
Yeah, many places because say jamu magiluani ATUBSY bikonya bitema gamani ATUBSY ko jamani tia mi bitemi kan komano.
Yeah.
So that's what I do.
Okay, that sounds good. Nge better producer ben payot pen ne work kan work with jamu keneno marwe. Kay waja kong like production challenge mo gwa challenges nga may no ma chala producer Matio dong Uganda ngeo lo we ma bejo may yubu duong mera ta ma pa twar kwa na weng and wa meta wa nge kong ya ken ma chala lo wa pa mo ti may no almost production studio in your industry me production
pa ma no tieni the way mo kana tie magibia mano gemera way but they don't know what they want.
Yeah.
No, you don't believe in yourself.
Yeah.
And the way we're voicing, the way more that more madam pangido.
Yeah.
And no me, it came there, voicing.
You
get that? And people let back madam deal and any man away being joining. I mean, you want makuma. I mean, away kuma. I know bad baramara because first of all, you don't believe in yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, pole. When you're like Jomo Kenema look copywriting, money like copycat. Kira gilwo kere. Yeah, ka win yung ngaro man tiga way like kira and me way kere any. Originality money ma down me to twali music industry don't you do gunaka in the Uganda world, right?
That is it.
So yeah, about loka chulgi loka chene muguma like the way work again is do you have you come across that mangar money you way ne pechulgi nga again?
Yeah, kikane ample kar ka bichaw yo we no me ka nong deposit to.
Okay.
Yana tin ka ngar mo dom yo deposit. Madu go voice in dem mo to bichaw ke chene mana mano go you ne dom du pe yo.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I look like I personally because I understand the situation and the condition. And you know that person wants you to do. So you tell Elijah next time. Whenever this for now, let's go like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, most cases.
Yeah, perach twal ngeni polkar jim mukene bero tactful bana in your industry ngelu we tikil we tactful iti meaning we tikil we we mari nyulu we ma again my titi what do you actually do we we bion boy maduong pero ngai we ma you duong attack what is so unique about yourself ma we down in your industry in your studios ka you we
what I can say again, I tell down with my room. Corner the wear my bed, you wear my raj.
Yeah.
I do down with my room. And I pick up on a pony, I don't want to wear my bed, I learn at time. It is better, I you put down my bed, Inca will may go produce a demo teacher.
Yeah, but not a way
But most cases, the parent will way no I'm on the right, and then I release like that. Come here, then a bit do a bit. Now me away my bag, you match the energy of the beats.
Yeah. So yeah, production ni anange pa be penana atiyu kiri ben ange kid process ma water in your production and I loved it so much. That's why in Akilian kind for those ones who have not really known ATUBSY. He's a very, very kind man. He's a very gentle man. And his way of production is pretty easy and it's simple and it's down to earth. Most times, ATUBSY, you would not even believe that he's a singer. I mean, he's a producer that make hits after hits. And when you weigh my antimo in all around, ma ana playing, you do this song that we did, Mani Chawatimo. One Killer did Brother Rex. He's also the one who produced the song, which is a very hit song. Matiga Makupinka Wang.
Sometimes I meditate. God don't ever delay. That side, this side, love will educate. My heart yearns for you, girl. My heart beats for you, girl. Yeah. From Bulu to Kampala. Speed 160, Cody, come on, give me Cody, we wanna be the Cody, yeah, love, in a marana, Nakotamani, And when I'm married, Mr. Laughter. I sing so. I sing to you, God. God of blessings, yeah. God of wonders, yeah. Lord of lords, the King of kings. He I love and Chilican. Imi achumu, imi amaro. Ichumachunya, inyutama, baba. We love when imi apapa, but nothing can make me stumble. I will never crumble. Cause you make me humble. You're better than anything. God, you make me wanna play my strings. And you really wanna make me sing. Cause you are my everything. And Marowa, Lubani Miniwa. And Marowa, Lubani Birowa. He's Jehovah Jireh. He's Jehovah Yahweh. He's Jehovah.
Yes. That is one massive song that the producer ATUBSY himself produced, and it's one of the greatest hit rocking old airwaves in northern Uganda. And it's from Mr. Laughter, me and my brother. That is Junior Eyes. That's the song that we did from ATUBSY as the producer. So we wanted just to really bring it out to you guys and make you know ATUBSY. And we had some connection. ATUBSY is off for a little bit, but hopefully he will be back in a few seconds, and then we shall wind up the show as well. Remember, we have our podcast as well coming up in some few minutes, actually at one sharp. So we shall also have that as well in a few seconds that will come right here. Yeah, your producer ATUBSY, and he is one of the northern Uganda best finest producer in my view. He produces songs after songs, hits after hits, and great songs have always come up from him, and everybody knows it completely that producer ATUBSY is one of the best Ugandan producer that I know, and he produces lots of variety. He's a versatile producer. He produces gospel, he produces dancehall, worship, whatever kind, any genre that you want. He is the guy to go to, and he's from the OC Records. That is where he produces all the songs, the massive songs. And I'm happy that all of you have really gotten to know him and been with him for a little bit, and at least you got to know him, and I'm happy for such a wonderful moment to be with ATUBSY. And he is a great producer, as I told you earlier on. He will continue being one of the greatest Uganda producer, and he does both audio and video as well. So that is a step ahead for him to do both audio and a video, which is a good thing. So let's show him more love. If you're in Kampala, if you're in Uganda, and you want to go reach any studio, go to OCM, which is in Lozira. So that is the place where you can find ATUBSY, and he will produce for you a song like this in the background, because he knows what an artist wants, and he knows exactly what an artist deserves and what kind of song that person can sing. So we'll hook up with him, and we shall leave him. We shall leave you his contact also in the description, and you will get hold of him shortly if you want to connect with him in Kampala. He's a great producer. I love him so much, and I wanted to bring him today. And you guys have heard a little bit from him as well. So wonderful. I'm happy and I'm grateful that you guys have at least gotten a little bit of his view and his connection on the topic. So thank you so much for being with me, and we shall close for right now. And also in a few in 25 minutes or so, we shall have the podcast with Pastor Dennis, and Godfrey would be with me today for the podcast, and we're going to talk about Christian dating. And in a few minutes we shall be back on here as well doing the podcast with you guys. Thanks for hanging on here on the Celebrity Corner. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to Tommy Bear TV on YouTube and on Facebook as well. So let us know where you're watching from. Any comment that you have, any production as a singer you want, go to ATUBSY, and you will be happy to see how great this guy is on the production aspect of it. So I'm happy that you guys have been with me for this moment. Yeah, thank you so much for hanging on there and being with us. Thank you for those ones watching on Facebook on Laughter Songs. Very shortly, we shall head on to the podcast in a few seconds. So thank you so much for being here with me, and I'm happy you have known ATUBSY. We shall have a better time with him as well on this channel and get to know your artist, that is ATUBSY, on the Celebrity Corner. One love, and happy to be with you guys for this wonderful moment and wonderful time. As always, you understand, it's music, and it's God's music and gospel music with you. Yeah, ciao, well done.
What can I do?
See you in the next one.
That's why I listen to you. Tell me easy go. Just a journey made a man.